Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session I'm going to tell you a very interesting scheme by the AICT. Yes, my dear students, this scheme is also known as the AICT scheme for spices. Now what is this spices? It basically refers the scheme which is targeted for promoting the interest, creativity and ethics among the students. Now, this spices, as the term indicate, is to inculcate and develop any sort of the interest, creativity and ethics among the students in the institutions which are AICT recognized. Now, how they are going to support that? They provide funding of rupees 1 lakh to the institution for complete year for helping the student club to develop, and those clubs who are doing very nice, the students wants to get the funds. They want to utilize the funds for attending the various cultural programs in different institutions or the out of station events. For that, the AICT is recognizing their creativity, their efforts, and want to help the students by supporting them financially by granting them rupees 1 lakh as a financial grant for inculcating and developing the club. I know many institutions where there are different clubs, and through these clubs students develop a lot. So the scheme is basically to provide the financial support to the institutions for developing the students club for well-rounded development. So apart from the academics, we also need to have the curriculum, cultural development. We need to have the extracurricular activities in the institution. Every institution carries out the extracurricular activities in the form of the freshers party, farewell party and other important events which happen time to time depending on the institute. So the AICT wants to recognize them by providing them financial grant to the students for that respective clubs. Now the purpose of giving this grant to the student is to energize and position the students clubs, chapters, societies as facilitating entry for pursuit of their individual interest, creative work, showcasing talent. I myself know many students who are very talented, but because of the funds they are not able to participate in other institutes or events. So if you have the caliber and the students, you can even share with your students that they can apply for this scheme. The last date for application of this scheme is for 30th November. So now let us check the eligibility. So the AICT approved institutions which are in existence from last 5 years are able to apply to this scheme. So the institute should be 5 years long. Then only one proposal per institute for a club will be admissible. So institute may select its best performing club. Now the institute must commit a contribution of minimum of rupees 1 lakh to the club. Now here you are getting the grant, but the institute also has to confirm a commitment of rupees 1 lakh to the club. Now contributions above rupees 1 lakh from institution to the club will get weightage for the considerations. Now coordinator must be full-time regular faculty. So there should be someone who is a faculty in the institute and who is looking after this club, who is responsible for this club, with at least 10 years of experience in teaching and industry. Now, institute should also identify a co-coordinator who must be a faculty with at least 5 years of experience in teaching and industry. So, two people who are looking after the club, maybe in the form of the coordinator and co-coordinator. Now, experience and the inclination of the organizing events, curriculum activities are desirable for coordinator and co-coordinator. Now, what is the timeline? This scheme is for 1 year. The amount of fund you are going to receive, 1 lakh rupees. Now 1 lakh once your institution has got the approval sanction letter. So what is the process? Let us try to understand. The process is very simple. You have to submit online application, then the application will be screened out at the council. Evaluations of the applications will be done by the experts. The final decisions will be taken by the council, keeping in view the recommendations made by the experts and the availability of the funds for the scheme. So after the approval, the sanction letter will be sent to the institution, and the AICT will release the grant of rupees 1 lakh to the institution once a valid and verifiable proof of contribution by the institute to the club has been submitted. So sanction letter can be used by the institutions to raise funds from the other sponsor. So this is a very simple process. Your institute is every year spending money on the various clubs and development. So they just have to give the confirmation of the spending, and for this they are going to again get a funding of rupees 1 lakh, and this funding can be utilized for the development of the students, for their participation in various other institutions and various other development activities at the institute itself. Now, what kind of the activities are targeted in these clubs? So, evolution of the interest, hobbies, creativity, imaginations, innovation and ethics, and values through a range of students. So, different sorts of activities are being covered by this spices scheme. So as the term indicates, spices again, so this is a culturally mixed activities which are being promoted. Now, how and when to apply? Applications are invited every year in the beginning of the academic session. So for this academic session 2020-21, the applications are invited and the last date is 30th November. So institute must apply through its login ID at the aictindia.org. So your institution has to apply to claim this funding. Now, what are the terms and conditions? They're very simple, that you don't have to utilize the fund apart from this activity. The student should be completely enrolled in the institutes, those who are participating, and the funding should be utilized in the development of the students. So you can go through these guidelines. All these are the same and very simple to obey. Now, what are the documents to be uploaded on the AICTE? This is very important. The institute has to fill up and update information on the AICTE portal and upload the following documents: photographs, feedback members of the club, 2 minutes video which is having introduction by the coordinator mentioning the name and the state of the institute, activities, detail and achievements through students club, how was the club beneficial to the students, careers and institute, acknowledgement of AICTE support, performance report of the club. Now, what documents that needs to, so once you have uploaded these documents, it will be verified at their end and you will be given sanction letter. So once you have achieved the sanction, you will get ₹1 lakh. Now, after the completion of 1 year, you need to support it with the utilization of the certificate. Now you have got the funds, you need to show how it has been utilized by the institute. So all the supporting bills, documents have to be duly attested by the head of the institutions, and they have to make the whole how the money is being sent on the students. Now, monitoring. So sometimes there may be checks from the AICTE to depute any observer to oversee the performance and collect the feedback from the venue. So these are all the scheme related informations can be found out at this website, and technical information from this website. I hope this information is going to help all my dear students who can ask their institutions and make a good group and club and apply for this spices scheme by the AICTE. Yes. If you like the information, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting such important informations and notifications to you. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much.